What's going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today, this video, as you saw in the title, how to make $10,000 dropshipping the fastest way, the fastest method possible. You know, you're dying to make money with dropshipping. You don't know how. You keep trying, you keep failing. But I'm here to tell you there is no exact method. I'm sure this is not what you wanted to hear, but I will be showing you guys some secrets here in this video, so stay tuned for that. But there's no exact, formula to make $10,000 dropshipping or $100,000 or $1 million. There's different strategies and methods people use, including myself, but there's not any that are, guaranteed to make you a ton of money or any money at all at that point. Of course, product testing and product research and everything like that comes together, but there's different little tips and tricks that people use. And once you start to learn from your own failures as well as other people's mistakes, then you'll be able to combine forces and really have this, power in your mind to go out there, stay consistent, keep trying, learning from other people, learn from yourself, and then continue to make money over time. But we're going to be hopping on my computer here, and I'm going to show you guys how to reach $10,000 dropshipping. And let's go ahead and get started. Before we get on my computer, guys, make sure you leave a like on this video if you haven't already, and hit that subscribe button if you're new, and if you're already subscribed, make sure notifications on. Come on, guys. But I'll see you on my computer. Okay, so we're here on my computer now. As you can see, Facebook. Why are we on Facebook? Product research, guys. The two main factors when it comes to an actual successful dropshipping store, e-commerce store overall, is, not necessarily just the storefront that everybody sees, the product pages. Of course, those are very important, very crucial points to your store. But when it comes to the financial part of your store, the success, the actual business and thing that makes you money and continues you to, stay profitable and make money as an entrepreneur, is not going to be your storefront necessarily. It's going to be, the back end stuff, the stuff that your customers and potential customers don't really see. The products you are finding in order to cater to them, and the marketing, the way you're targeting these specific people. If you're targeting the wrong people and not qualifying them enough, then you're not going to make money. So we're here on my computer now, and let's go ahead and just get started here. For those of you that are new, want to figure out, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how to make money quick with dropshipping. So this is my method that I'm going to give you guys, the easiest and most simple one that may make you some money. So we're going to go here, search up these different key terms. If you've seen this before, I'm going to add a little twist on it so those of you guys aren't bored. We'll go to videos. I always tend to go towards videos because videos are more effective in my opinion. Let's see right here. Home gardening tool, August 8th, 3 million views. All right, it's interesting. It's on Amazon, so we're gonna retract off of that. Privacy pods. I actually saw this on a Shark Tank. I'm not sure if these are on AliExpress or not, but I know they definitely made a lot of money. $40 million. Let's go to AliExpress. What is it called? A privacy pod. I would be surprised if they sold this on AliExpress, but I'm sure if I contacted a supplier, I could definitely get them to find it or make it for me. Privacy pod. Nope. Search. It's not searching. The Wi-Fi is terrible here in the warehouse. But anyways, basically my point is here, look at the engagement. 406,000 shares, 26,000 likes, 38,000 comments, tons of engagement from 3 months ago from I Want One. That's a very popular, I don't know if they're dropshipping, but I know they definitely sell a lot of stuff if they're marketing for other companies or what. I wish this would load here on AliExpress, but basically what I do here is go through these ads, find different products that are interesting, have good engagement, and test them, okay? So we go right here, don't risk eye infection, whatever, and what I like to do, go to their specific link that they're promoting, go check the product, see if it's on AliExpress, figure out how do I create this perceived value, how much should I charge for it, make a video, edit different footage. You can take their video if you're really feeling risky, and then start promoting it. And how are we going to create a product test? How are we actually going to test these products? Since this Wi-Fi is being slow, I'm not going to worry about this little tint here, but we're just going to go on this old ad account I have here and show how I would create a product test for those of you that don't know how to use Facebook ads. So we're here on our old ads manager here where there's an old campaign, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a product test and exactly what steps you need to take in order to test a product and see if it's going to make you money or not. So we go to campaigns, we press create, and we're going to be taken through this little guided creation here. We're going to go out, we're going to go to conversions. People will tell you to do view content or video views, whatever it is, just to get some data on the pixel. But I always go for conversions because why waste time getting traffic that won't make me money when I could actually, optimize for conversions, whether I get a low conversion rate or not. I'm still getting, you know, customers that are more aimed towards actually buying something than just random people that like to watch videos. So as far as campaign name goes, I always go like this. I put the product name right here is the first thing, and then I put dash and the break-even point. So the break-even point is basically how much you charge minus the sale cost. So if it's a $20 product you're selling and it costs you $10, a $10 break-even point, so we'll put right there, $10 break-even point. And if it's a cold purchase, we're just gonna do cold, PUR. You know, in Facebook terms, PUR is purchase. We're gonna press continue, and now we're gonna go to the actual ad creation, which is interesting for those of you that have never seen this before. As far as the pixel goes, you're gonna be asked to do a, you know, conversion event. Always go to purchase, whether it's red or green. You know, if it's a new pixel, it's probably going to be red just because it's not optimized yet. And for new testing, I always do worldwide. Okay, I typed in worldwide wrong. It's going to say region. Click that, and I exclude some places that usually don't buy anything, that are just will get traffic but not necessarily make you a lot of money in the long term, or the cost per purchase will be too high. This is just what a lot of big e-commerce people do, or, you know, people that run e-commerce stores, just due to the fact of, you know, not being profitable from these specific countries and interests. So let's say we're selling a battery, okay? This little camera battery right here, we're gonna target is photographers. If it's a camera battery, we're gonna target photographers, okay? So this is 146 million. It's a lot more than I usually target for my cold test. This is a very large audience. You can narrow it down by engaged shoppers if you want to. So basically what this is an audience of people that buy stuff on Facebook. So now we're brought down to 70 million, which is still too much for me, but this is just to show you guys. I usually aim for between 10 and 50 million. Edit placements for a cold test, I always do feed on Facebook and feed on Instagram, nothing else, just because some of these other ones, they just, you know, the ROAS is just not there. It's not worth it, and you'll end up just wasting money. So Instagram feed and Facebook feed are the two that you need. So we have our interest and everything like that. We have our location set, and here in the ad set name, I always do photographers, whatever the ad set interest is, photographers, engaged, dash, worldwide. So that's the country we're targeting, or not country, you know, the area, worldwide. Budget, I would recommend $20 a day if you can. If not, then I would go a little lower, just like 10, 5 if you really have to. I would not recommend it. And then you're taken to ad. So this is where you actually put the video, actually put the image, whatever it is. You choose the Facebook page and the Instagram page if you have one connected, and then you're good to go. You put all the stuff here that you need to, the product link, the call to action, always do shop now, and then you confirm it, and then you're good to go. And then I would recommend you guys duplicate the ad sets for at least 5 to 10 of them, and continue to cold test by, you know, duplicating this ad set with different interests, okay? So same location, same exact ad, but instead of photographers, for everyone, we're gonna choose, you know, photographers. We press suggestions, you know, we'll do digital photography, electronics, that kind of thing. So that is how I would get the fastest way to $10,000 in revenue, is just, you know, being patient, testing, product research, and that's what it all comes down to, guys. There's no secret formula. I just wanted this video to be a quick informational one to show you guys that there's no secret sauce to dropshipping. If you stay with it, you keep working at it, then you will become successful, but it's nothing easy, and it's nothing that comes fast unless you're a little bit lucky. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys, and learned something. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.